Happy birthday weekend to me. So basically last night I used a Loving Tan's 2-hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. I just used medium and I just used their little pad. I love Loving Tan. The tanner always looks really good. The only little part that I messed up was like right here on my elbow, which I'm gonna ask Dwayne how to fix that because like he soft tans all the time. Hopefully I can just like put more over it maybe. I don't know, but I don't want to do that and then it look like even worse. So I'm just kind of waiting and I'm gonna text Dwayne and I'm gonna ask him what to do. But my hands are a bit orange.
A bit orange, okay.
I know, I never tan my hands, but I wanted to. It's now 2:46. I have cleaned the entire apartment. My parents came and gave me my birthday gift, which was my TV. I filmed a little bit of it and I know I made like a little montage before this, but this is what it looks like. I'm watching Cheer. My birthday dresses actually just came in, and I am so freaking thankful that I went and got another dress because y'all, if I would have waited until these dresses came in, I would have been literally screwed because the black dress literally, I ordered 3 dresses, 2 for my birthday and then 1 for literally just like regular dress, and none of them fit. Well, the third one I didn't even try on because I knew it was gonna look like really bad, so I just didn't even try it on. I'm gonna have to ship those back, but I'm about to wash my face. Sorry if y'all can hear Wally going in the background, he's cleaning, but I'm gonna wash my face and then we're gonna use this Kinship Mint Mud face mask. So this is like what I'm using. It's now 6:17. We're about to get ready so that way we can do like our TikToks and take pictures and do all that. It's so crazy to me that these stay, like they just stick on. They just like these are just so fragile to me. I feel like I can barely brush them or touch them. Oh, there's cushion. That's funny.
What are y'all doing?
We're getting ready. Wait, babe, will you order us a pizza?
Oh no, I ain't know.
Wait! You said hell yeah to pizza.
Hell yeah, for sure.
But you can order it.
A few moments later.
How'd you get that? How did you get that?
You want the warranty? You gotta call them back in 60 days.
What the fuck, Christian? That's just insane. What the fuck? Man, I don't know how to do this. This is a lot. I just finished getting ready. I kind of like put some curls in my hair, not really. I did these like twists up here. This is my dress. Cute. Julia's over here putting on her dress. Very cutesy. And then I have this little birthday sash that I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear these little heels. I don't really know the jacket situation, but I definitely need one because it's freezing. So Dwayne is here now. Oh yeah. Good morning, y'all. So y'all, it is currently 11:47 in the morning. It's now the next day. We went out. I took a ton of videos when I actually went out, but I don't know what all I'm actually gonna be able to include. I'm about to open my iMac, my gift from Christian. I'm literally freaking the fuck out. I never imagined I would have one of these. Like, I'm like gonna order a desk ASAP Rocket because I want to have this out as fast as possible. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a desk slash vanity. I'm gonna do kind of just like a plain desk with like, you know, the drawers for my vanity makeup and everything, but I'm gonna have a little kind of makeup light or whatever. I'm very excited. It says hello. Oh my god! Keyboard. And we have this, I don't know, one of the cords. These cords are super nice. Like, I like that they aren't made out of the regular, like, cheap material or regular material. I don't know. Here's the mouse. And then this is, I think it's gonna hook up to the actual computer. It's now 1:28 and I'm about to be getting ready for dinner. Fuck me. Getting ready for dinner now. I'm gonna have to end up going to Aunt Julia, so we're gonna have to leave here a little bit earlier. But I'm gonna try my very best to match my foundation a little bit better because I feel like last night I just looked a bit pale compared to my fake tan. So I'm gonna try to use maybe my darker foundation, the Fit Me one.
Like, I bought you an investment, no cap. I'm investing in your craft. I want you to be the best woman you can be.
This is the other foundation that I have. It's the Fit Me Matte Poreless. I'm gonna use this Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. My skin needs all the hydration it can get because I don't know why, but my skin is like really bumpy right now. Like super textured. Like last night when I did my makeup, my whole forehead was just like really dry. I want it to be a little bit smoother today, but it's still skin. It's not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna use this one, the Coconut Smoothie Primer. Anyways, back to what I was trying to say. I was trying to tell you guys about last night. First, we went to Vivo and it was really fun actually. It was super good. It was a really good night. There was a lot of people there and we had a lot of fun. We stayed there until it was closed kind of, and then Dwayne and his boyfriend left from there, and then shortly after they left, we left and we went to Flamingo, which actually, if you're on my spam or whatever, you know that I was talking about how we went to Flamingo to test it out like last weekend. It just like was not good. So I was really kind of nervous about going, but everybody said that it was way better on Saturdays. It really was, like it was way better. So we went there after Vivo closed and it was really fun. We hung out there till probably about like maybe like 4 or something in the morning. Right now I'm using the Thick It Stick It by NYX. All right, we're gonna try. I feel like it matches. It does. I feel like it matches. Oh my god, the difference between my face and my neck right now. This is in the shade 122 Creamy Beige. But yeah, so it was really fun. It was a really good night. I'm so fucking hungry. Like I'm really hungry. My stomach hurts. But I kind of want to just wait because we're about to go eat anyway, so I don't want to like eat right now and then go out to eat. I'm not hungry. I want to eat. I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows with this CoverGirl True Blend and I will be right back. I think this matches way better. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna take the same concealer and do my highlight points now. What I have noticed about this concealer though is if I leave it on, like if I leave it under my eyes to kind of like sit and get tacky, it's gonna like sit there, you know? It's gonna not blend, you know? Hey babe. Sorry y'all, I had like a little idea so I had to go get it, but I'm gonna use this Grace and Stella spray all day and I'm gonna just use this to kind of like add a little bit of extra hydration to my face. Got this Eco Tools Beauty Blender from Live and Below and I love it. It's perfect for like underneath your eyes because it gets like right up in there. And then I also like it for like my eyebrows because it can get like that straight line. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape translucent powder. Now I'm gonna use my Fit Me face powder. This is what I always use. Ooh, my eyebrows look so good today. The highlight, oh my god, it's really giving today. It's really giving. I need to stop saying that. It's annoying, right? I've learned that it looks way better if you go lighter on the bronzer. Don't need to do too much. I just need to give it a little glow. I really honestly don't have a video edited for Monday unless my video gets approved. Come to my appointments with me for my birthday, which if you have not watched, it's definitely going up before this video. Definitely go watch that. I did like a full thing of prepping for my birthday and just you guys coming along with all my appointments, like me getting my lashes done, my hair done, my nails done. I even got a facial and I'm actually gonna be going and getting a massage Monday, which I will put in this video. But I think what I want to do tomorrow is just go to my parents' house. Are you down with that? Now I just need blush and highlighter and then I'm done because I'm not gonna do eyeshadow. I just kind of want to go for like a more clean, elegant look. I'm using the NARS Orgasm Summertime. I'm gonna use my Gumdrop favorite freaking highlighter. Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Here's the finished look. I'm gonna do my hair, which I'm just gonna straighten it because I kind of like had it straight last night. So I'm just gonna like kind of go over it. I had my hair like twisted up at the front, so I need to like go over that. But I'm going to do my hair, change, figure out my outfit, and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Finished getting ready. I changed my outfit like a whole bunch of times. Like I put on an outfit and I took pictures, so I got like my birthday pictures and stuff, but the pants were super long. I'll pop like a picture in of like the outfit that I was wearing. It was really really cute, but I felt like this one was a bit more like family oriented. I mean, it's still like kind of, you know, but I'm not showing like my stomach as much. And then also it just feels more comfortable, more relaxed. This kind of fits the vibe of like what everybody's kind of wearing. This bodysuit is from Lovely Blush Boutique. These pants are from American Eagle, and then my shoes are from Shein. They're just some like clear heels. So yeah, I forgot to bring my camera, but we're at dinner. Look how cute it is in here. Waiting for everybody to get here. You want one? Whoa.
What is that? Birthday cake?
We're not really down
It's way later. We've literally just been chilling. I took a shower actually, and I put on this set that my sister got me for my birthday. She bought the set at like a t-shirt store or whatever, and then she put the stuff on it. You guys go shout out to HSE Creations. I literally can't see here. Look, babe, show them the back.
But this is what the bag looks like. Boom. Hey now. Hey now, only I can see the booty.
Anyway, so yeah, my sister made this for me. I tried to film when we were at dinner, so I'll insert like the footage I did get. We are about to go play pool downstairs. I'm like on my period, but like not on my period, so I'm using like light tampons. Anyways, like I was saying, we're about to go downstairs and we're going to play pool. We're gonna have a little friendly little pool competition. I'm literally in love with this set. I'm gonna have my sister make me more of these because this is so freaking cute and it's beautiful. I love it.
You know what I'm saying? Walking on a crib, you know what I'm saying? That's somebody pulled up. The cost of cool like 1.5, you know what I'm saying? Some light. You know, over here, this like the living room. This is where we just eat and chill. It's a nice little spot. Then we move on here. This is my little study area, you know? I like to have the light perfectly out of my study. Then I come over here. It's my couch. See my TV? I got 4 TVs in one.
Period. MTV crib little episode for y'all. We just did a practice round and I won. And I almost actually thought I was gonna lose because Christian like really had all of them in there for a second, but then I came through at the end and I won. I got 2 in over in this side. Can I get up on here?
Like, you cheating. You did all that and still missed.
I had a better chance by doing that than I would have had if I did it another way. What is going on today? Damn, it almost went into this one.
Come on.
Playing with money, remember? We're playing with money, remember?
Bro.
Okay.
I love the dub. This is crunch time. Crunch time.
What is this? All right.
Hey, let me do my victory dance, man. Let me do my victory.
Good morning, y'all. It is my birthday. It is currently 10 in the morning. We are heading to go get massages. I asked JD if she could fit Christian in, and she texted me. She's like, yeah, we actually have at 10:30. So we're heading out a little bit early. It's 10 o'clock right now. But right now, I'm actually responding to all of my sweet birthday messages on Instagram and stuff. We're in the Tranquility Room. They play like super calm music in here, so it always is super relaxing. Can I get a large iced caramel latte?
Can I get a large caramel latte?
Iced
caramel?
Okay. With extra caramel and add cold foam.
With extra caramel, and can you add cold foam? And then can I get it's like the refresher drink. I don't see it though. Strawberry refresher drink?
Strawberry dragon fruit refresher. Would you like that with green tea or coconut milk?
No, you got like a lemonade.
Wait, is that the one that's like a lemonade though, the refresher drink? It's like a...
It's just strawberry dragon fruit and green tea.
Okay, then yeah, I think that one's it.
So we are getting Dunkin'. We got done with our massages. Y'all, he frustrates
yeah,
me
can I
so
get bacon,
much. He
egg, and
does
cheese?
not look at the menu. He only asks people. That would irritate me if I was a person working there, because I'd be like, bitch, look at the fucking menu.
Hey, worry about yourself, and I can ask for help if I need help. Like,
no, because you're not even looking at the menu. You're just like, oh, what's it called? No, you're just annoying.
Pay for your own stuff on your birthday.
Well, I was gonna pay for it, but I mean, sugar daddy things, you can pay for it. We came to this little like outdoor mall thing. There's like a whole bunch of stores, but we're going to be going into Old Navy because I got a gift card. And then after that, we're gonna go to the mall because I had to do some exchanges. And yeah, we're just having a little bit of a shopping day.
You're having a little bit of shopping day, and I am her chauffeur.
A chauffeur.
Let's ride down to you.
No. So yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get back up because literally this one is like cut off. So we're gonna have to either go back up this or figure it out. I don't really shop at Old Navy either, so I don't know what the I'm gonna get. Hopefully maybe like some like chill clothes or maybe like some jeans or something. We went into Ulta as well because it was just like right here, and his mom, like I said, she got me a gift card. I've been wanting to try the Laura Mercier powder. I literally could not figure out what I wanted, and I was like, and I didn't even know that they had this at Ulta, but they have the Laura Mercier, and this is their 25 anniversary version or whatever, so it's like a really big one. From Old Navy, I got this cute little like sweat set, so it just looks like this is the pant. These tops were really small, so I ended up having to get a large, but I got a small, I think, in this pants, but I got a large in the sweater because I don't want it to be too tight or anything. That's what I got at Old Navy and what I got at Ulta, and now we're about to go and exchange / like return some stuff that I bought from the mall, so I'm gonna get different stuff, so then I'll give you guys another haul. Wow, he's so cute! Tell me what is your name?
Hey, what's up?
Ooh.
Oh, okay, here she is. Now give her a phone.
Who is it? Hey. Thank you. Bug's having his dinner. We got sweet and sour chicken, chicken lo mein, fried rice. We got some egg rolls. Yum. Yeah? Yummy. Thank you guys so much for wishing me birthday, watching my birthday vlog, literally just watching any of my videos in general. I had such an amazing time for my birthday, and I'm really grateful for all the people who made it so special, as well as you guys for just wishing me happy birthday and just like spoiling me to no end. Literally, y'all's words of affirmation for me are just like blaring. I love you guys. But yeah, I ended up not filming an outro just because I kind of was hanging out with my family, and then that was just kind of that, and I never ended up continuing after that. But I did actually film 2 Patreon videos for my birthday. One was like a behind the scenes, and then another one was just like a smoke with me. So if you guys would like to see my Patreon videos, the link is always in my description box below. I also made a bunch of birthday TikToks, as well as I have my Instagram post up, so go definitely be active under those posts. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for giving me literally like the best birthday. I was thinking about this the other day, and this is literally crazy. I started YouTube when I was 16, y'all. This is my 4th birthday on YouTube. I turned 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's literally insane. Anyways, again, thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below so you can be a subscriber. Shout out, I almost forgot. It's Grace. Happy birthday, Sav. An amazing 20th birthday. Thank you, Grace. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next one.